I headed up to Apple and collected my iPhone 13 Pro Max, and I will be upgrading from the XS Max. All I needed was to bring my ID, to prove who I am, and a Sainsbury's plastic carrier bag. Not because they wanted it, but just to hide my new purchase inside it to draw away any potential mugging attempts. Here it is now. Let's go through it. First thing I noticed, the box was quite small, which leads me to believe we are missing a charger plug if I'm correct. Right, that peel, that's really satisfying to... And there it is. Strange how it's upside down. Oh, lifted out. Right, initial impressions. It's not that heavy, but then I think I need to put a case with it. Like the stainless steel edges. Ceramic back, miles better than the glass one I've got in the XS Max currently. Normally what I do is I peel off this part and put a screen protector straight on it. So I may just actually do that because I want the screen protector on it straight away. So we have the charging cable as usual. Got documents and of course a little pin for the SIM card. And then we've got the Apple sticker. So no charging plug, no headphones, which is a change from when I got my XS Max. Clearly they're just trying to save money there. Not fussed about that because I have those things. I mean, if there's anyone that can actually tell me what these Apple stickers are really useful, then I'd really appreciate it. Otherwise, I've collected so many of them over the years. That's just failed incredibly badly. Okay, right, I've completely just ruined that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Honestly, I think I fluffed that up too much, but I just had to get that on, which is crazy. To put my Taurus case on, I did do a review of this, and you are noticing that I'm literally just protecting the iPhone 13 Pro Max. I mean, you'll see other users, especially the sort of more established YouTubers. Sometimes they get sent a copy, sometimes they haven't bought it, and they can pretty much afford another one if something happens to it, but I'm putting it straight in. I mean, look at that. It's a shame I couldn't just have it like this, but I know something will happen to it. Let's pop it in. And there you go. That is actually a very nice fit. I'm double-minded about the screen protector, and because it's so reflective. I mean, you've got an expensive screen on your phone, and you just put a cheapy sort of glass one on there. Anyway, let's see it come up. Apple logo. And obviously anyone who's updated to iOS 15, it'll come up with the... Well, actually it won't come up with that. I've got to update it first. My mistake, it kind of looks like it's updated already. English. Oh, promotion. I saw that straight away. I mean, you can't tell on the camera much. That was just amazing. That was really nice having that with the United Kingdom. Setting language. So ProMotion is now enabled, which goes up to 120 Hz, and to be honest, that looked really smooth when I did it there, and it should make a huge difference when scrolling. Now, although it was on a smaller screen, I did notice it and it was brilliant. Brightness goes up to 1000 nits, which is just, it's mind-blowing. So HDR movies are going to look really incredible. So I look forward to testing that out. Obviously it's an OLED screen, which means it could have a bit of burn-in, and I'm pretty sure AppleCare doesn't cover burn-in. Nice to see the notch itself is much smaller. I mean, it's still there, but I'd rather have a notch than a selfie camera hole, which apparently is what the iPhone 14 is going to have. So I'm not sure how I feel about that. Battery life is the game changer for me, 28 hours of video playback. Obviously, when they give these estimates, that's offline video playback at a brightness level that no human being can watch, but still great to think that it can go that long. My XS Max is around 9 hours, providing I don't really use it. So the weight was fine, it's only 12 grams heavier than my iPhone 12 Pro Max, way heavier than my XS Max, but I've got big hands, so that's made a difference. Looking forward to the camera changes. Cinematic mode is only 1080p. I'm not sure how much I'm going to use it. Apple are clearly saving the 4K version for later on. Low light photos is where it's really going to shine, and I will be testing that out and uploading videos on that. Macro photography seems awesome. I'm not sure how much I'm going to use it, but it'll be interesting to try it out. So yeah, that was my unboxing, my first impressions off the phone. I am coming from an XS Max, so everything is just going to be amazing to me. You saw me fail at putting a screen protector on twice, I think, and I go through them like anything before I actually get the right one. I also put the case on and it feels really nice. I will put a review out possibly a week after, or a couple weeks after I've had it, take it to work and that, see how it is, and then I can give my full review on it. But please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. The channel's growing. Thank you for your continued support, and until next time.